Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Lincoln Nautilus. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, cross-traffic alert, trip computer, tinted glass, power tilting steering wheel, compass. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.